G'day everyone, Pete Techman Coman here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and I'm joined by Dwayne Williams from Lightware.
G'day Pete.
How you doing?
Very well, very well.
Ready
to play?
Do you know why you're here?
I have no idea.
Okay, all right, we're here to play the official, unofficial quiz of ISE 2020 called Amsterdam or Barcelona.
Hit me.
Are you nervous?
Oh, it's a big concern, yes.
Okay, all right. The first question's really easy. We like to get off to a nice, easy start, okay?
Yep,
Okay,
yep.
all right. So let's go. So I've got 10 questions. You get 1 point for every correct question, and you can get you can earn some bonus points along the way as well.
Prizes, prizes, prizes.
Well, there will be prizes. I don't know what they are. We have a zero budget, but we will find something.
Excellent.
Probably a rave T-shirt, maybe. I'm not sure. We will work something out. All right. Question number 1. In which city will host ISE in 2021? Amsterdam or Barcelona?
I think it's Barcelona.
You think it's Barcelona?
Lock it in. Lock
Okay,
it in,
lock
Eddie.
in Correct. It is Barcelona.
Yes.
Question number 2. Which city has the lowest altitude? Amsterdam or Barcelona?
I'm feeling Barcelona again, but
Okay.
geez, yes. Let's go with Barcelona.
Okay, what makes you say Barcelona?
I feel Amsterdam's a flat city.
Okay.
Altitude in height.
Yeah.
Or is
So it's
it,
the lowest. We're talking about the lowest. Yeah.
on the
Okay.
globe or in
No,
terms of,
out of those two.
directionally? Yeah. I'll go Barcelona.
Yeah, Barcelona. Okay, well, it's actually Amsterdam. Amsterdam is 1 metre below sea level. Yeah. And did you know that it's the second lowest capital city in the world?
That I clearly did not know.
See, you've learned something today, haven't you?
It's all about ISE. That's what it's for.
Correct. All right. Question number 3. So you're 1 from 2.
All right.
Okay. Which city has the largest population, Amsterdam or Barcelona?
I'll go with Barcelona again.
What makes you say that?
Well, I feel like I'm wrong now.
No, I'm not trying to. I'm just curious.
Well, I've only ever...
Have you been to Barcelona?
I have one time,
Okay.
yeah.
Was it busy?
I feel like there was a lot of people there,
Yeah,
so
okay, yeah.
I've only ever been to Amsterdam and this show floor, and that was also quite
Okay.
busy, but
Lock in Barcelona?
yeah.
You're correct.
Yes!
Correct. Okay, and I'll give you an extra bonus point if you can guess within the closest 500,000 the population of Barcelona.
Wow. I will go... Terrible guessing, but we'll say 3 million.
5.5. 5.5. It's about the same, a little bit bigger than Sydney, right?
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
All right, question number 4. Question number 5. Which city has hosted the Olympics?
Well, Barcelona again.
Uh-huh.
I'm feeling, yeah.
Okay.
I think I even was old enough to remember that one.
Okay. Do you remember what year it was? For an extra bonus point?
I should, but no. 2000 and we'll go. I can't even think of an Olympic
Well, it
year.
wasn't 2000.
No, good. All right.
Yeah. Well, we know. Where was it in 2000?
Oh well, no. Yeah, it definitely wasn't. Yeah,
Yeah.
Sydney.
Yes.
Sydney. So we'll go 4 years after that, 2004.
Okay, it was 1992, Barcelona. But you only get half a point because, in fact, Amsterdam has also hosted the Olympic Games.
Trick question.
A little known fact. Not many people know that. Okay, question number 6. Do you like food? You're a foodie?
Yeah, I can eat a lot. So
Eat a lot?
That's,
Okay.
it's a skill.
You may get this one right there. Which city has the most Michelin star restaurants, Amsterdam or Barcelona?
That's a tough one. I'm going to go Amsterdam for this one. Changing my mind. Wrong decision, I'm feeling. I don't know.
No, you get very nervous.
Yeah.
You want to lock it in?
I'm going, yeah.
Okay,
I saw a Michelin star restaurant the other night as I was walking around, so...
You are correct. Yes. All right. And I'll give you a bonus 5 points if you can guess how many Michelin star restaurants.
At least one.
Yeah, it is at least one. Correct. Yeah.
We'll say 5. Give it a
23.
go. Oh, that's a lot more than I had hoped.
23. All right. Which city is the most visited by tourists every year? Amsterdam or Barcelona?
Depends on the tourist type, I believe.
Well, I think I know where you're going with that.
But I'll take Barcelona again.
Wow,
You know,
you're on fire.
Nice.
You're on fire. I've lost track of your score, but I think you've done pretty well so far.
I'm one down, I think. Two. No, it's terrible.
That's
terrible.
all right. We'll tally it up, and there'll be a little score just up in the top corner here. But all right, that's excellent. No, and do you want to have a guess of how many tourists visit Barcelona every year? Have a stab for an extra bonus?
A lot.
There is
a metric lot.
Okay, close enough. All right. Which do you follow football or soccer at all?
Soccer, no.
Okay.
Aussie rules.
Aussie rules. Yeah, we have a different term for football. Football means a different thing for us.
It does.
Right? Okay.
It does.
I get that. All right. Well, which city has the largest football stadium? Amsterdam or Barcelona?
It's got to be Barcelona.
Why do you say that?
Just, I'd say, Spanish people, they've got to be football mad a lot of the time. That's my thought process behind it.
They are. Yes, correct.
Big stadium area.
It is a big stadium. So you are correct. Extra bonus point for the number of seats in that stadium.
That is, we'll go 110,000.
I'm going to give you a bonus point because there's actually 100,000 people.
Oh, it's slightly, the MCG,
yeah, I know.
same size.
Exactly.
Should have known.
Okay, question number 8. Which city is the oldest? Amsterdam or Barcelona?
I'll go Amsterdam on this one again.
Okay.
Why not? The Nordic people, there's Vikings being around. It's the thought process. Probably a little bit lower, but
yeah, probably wouldn't classify the Amsterdamians as Nordic,
no.
but I know where you're going with that.
That whole Latin influence, maybe.
Well, actually, Barcelona is 2,000 years old, over 2,000 years old.
Should have watched this video before actually competing in it, unfortunately. Nice hot tip.
Some of us studied more than others, apparently.
You got me on geography. That's.
All right. Okay. 2 to go.
Oh, all right.
All right.
This is not painful at all.
Come on.
Let's
do
do
it. You
it.
can do this.
Here I am.
Which city has the busiest airport? Amsterdam or Barcelona?
Barcelona. Let's give it a go.
Why do you say Barcelona?
Well, I'd say size of number of people there is a good indicator of size of airport. If we're going with it.
I like the logic behind that, but it is actually incorrect. 71 million people go through Amsterdam airport every year.
Transition. The Dubai people would not be very happy about that, but
not at all. It's actually
an opportunity for us.
Correct. It's actually the 3rd busiest airport in Europe.
Really?
Yeah. What's the busiest? What do you think?
Heathrow, sure.
Correct.
Yes.
I'm going to give you a point for
point.
that. I'm going to give you a bonus point for that. All right. Yeah, you should get this one.
Okay.
I hope you get this one. You've got to think outside the box for this one. No one has got this question right so far, okay? Okay, think outside the box, all right?
Yes.
Okay. Which city has the best beaches? Think outside the box.
Okay, Amsterdam. No.
I don't recall saying Amsterdam or Barcelona for this question. Which city has the best beaches, Dwayne?
Stunned. No idea. Sorry.
Where are you from?
Melbourne.
Oh, well, okay. Well, it's not Melbourne. Okay. Maybe another city somewhere
In the world.
That has better beaches?
Oh, I thought, sorry. Okay, so outside.
It was a trick question.
Maybe.
Right? Okay.
Well,
I'm the quizmaster. I can ask whatever questions I want.
If you like Sydney.
What's your answer?
We'll go Sydney.
Oh my God, you are the first person to get that question correct. The answer is Sydney. You can see it says there, right? Yeah, Sydney. Right there.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
That's been a moment.
Well, I think you've done pretty well. Like, we got a couple of bonus points there, so I think you're up there. So look, we're going to tally these scores up, and if you're the winner, we're going to get you a Lightware shirt. No, we won't get you a Lightware shirt. I'll get me a Lightware shirt. Fantastic. Look, thanks for watching. This is, like I said before, this is the official unofficial quiz of ISE 2020, Amsterdam or Barcelona, and we can't wait to see you guys in the next episode. Bye for now.